Okay, I was going to Bible college at the time, and it was during a missions conference, and I heard all these different speakers coming up, and every time a speaker came forward and gave their spiel, I thought, that's what I want to do. I want to do exactly that. I want to go to Africa, I want to go to China, I want to carry Bibles, I want to preach. Anyway, but then, so I was kind of conflicted. There was just so many opportunities out there. But then somebody from Wycliffe Bible Translators came, and they did a presentation in which they just showed, they had a stack of papers, and it had all the names of all the different languages that didn't have any scripture yet. And they just kept on reading off like one on each page, and it just kept on falling and falling. And then as they were talking about the need for Bible translators, all these people from different ethnic groups would come and ask, could you send somebody to my language group? And they said, you know what, you are 600th on this list, but there's nobody to come. It'll probably be about 25 years before anyone can come to your language group. And just the mourning that they had as they went away, knowing that their generation would die before somebody came. I thought, I could do that. I could be one of the ones that would go.